Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature one of the most requested hairstyles that you can rock in 2023, and that is the wolf cut trend. So we've been seeing this hairstyle around TikTok, social media for the past couple of years, and the look is only going to continue to grow in popularity as we head into 2023. This is a hairstyle that you can DIY yourself if you are brave enough, or your stylist should be able to do it as well at the salon. Now, this look involves a lot of gorgeous layers to really help frame the face and just add some interest to the hair overall. You can rock this trend in the classic wolf cut style layer look, or you can also try a wolf cut mullet style. So I hope that this video does inspire you if you're looking for a new haircut trend to try out this season. The wolf cut is definitely going to be very popular. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.